Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vegetable egg sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 large eggs, a vibrant mix of vegetables like 1 medium onion, 2 colorful bell peppers, and 1 cup of fresh spinach. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil and your favorite seasonings, such as salt, black pepper, and a pinch of dried thyme, to bring out all the delicious flavors. Now, let's get our vegetables ready for cooking. Begin by finely chopping your medium onion and 2 bell peppers into small, uniform pieces. Next, wash and roughly chop 1 cup of fresh spinach, making sure it's dry before you proceed. In a separate bowl, crack your 4 large eggs and whisk them thoroughly until they are light and frothy. Season these whisked eggs with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of pepper. It's time to cook our delicious sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your chopped onions and bell peppers, sautéing them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they soften. Then, stir in the chopped spinach and cook for another 2 minutes until it wilts down. Finally, pour the whisked eggs evenly over the vegetables, letting them set slightly before moving on. To finish, gently scramble the eggs with the vegetables, stirring occasionally until they are fully cooked through. It's important to ensure the eggs are set but still moist, as overcooking can make them rubbery. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if needed, perhaps adding a little more salt or pepper. Your warm, flavorful vegetable egg sauce is now ready to be served immediately with rice, bread, or boiled yams.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.